right, that is the silent, for the most part, install of the, I guess we'll call it the bed step for the Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2025, and they fit the 2024 and 2025. And as you can see, it's on the passenger side. Very easy to use. You could use your foot if you want. I chose to use my hand because I didn't want to accidentally scrape the side of the paint back here. Couple of quick notes for you if you're going to do this mod. The big screw that goes in up here on the top in the corner, right up here, it's the first one. You don't put that all the way in, about halfway in, because there's a slot in the bracket. You're going to slide it over. Actually very helpful for the install. And then you put the two bottom or other screws in, one here in the corner and one right up there in the corner, and tighten them down. That's it. Now on the step part itself, you want to make sure that you do not over tighten those little screws. They are a T25, by the way. You want to make sure you don't over tighten those. I think probably the biggest mistake people make when they do this mod is over tightening those screws and stripping them out, because they are only screwing into this plastic step here, which by the way is pretty robust. I don't really have any fear about having problems with this step. It is a very strong plastic. To put it back up, you can use your hands or just kind of kick it up, if you will. It does not slam into the paint or the bottom of the truck. Now, I will tell you, if you have the ARB recovery hooks, you cannot have this, obviously. They are going to be in the way, so it will not fit. However, with the rough country kit, which required no modification, by the way, unlike the front ones, depending on what crossbar you have, but you can have the back hooks like I have, the D-rings here, and you don't have any issue. There is no interference, and you still also could put a high lift under here if you want. You could actually take this D-ring off if you had to use it, or just flip it up in the air and still have access to the recovery point or the jacking point there. Pretty cool little mod. For me, just makes it easier to get in and out of the bed without having to grab a footstool or a ladder or something, or kind of shimmy up on the back of the bed. Pretty easy. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this mod approach and the step down there. I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.